Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And if you are new to my channel, my name is Nausheen and I make videos on makeup and skincare. So today in this video I'm gonna be creating this look, and I have created this look using all MINISO products. Yes, you heard it very right, I have only used MINISO products to achieve this look. And if you want to know how I got this look, then please continue watching. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, so please take a moment and subscribe to my channel. Now let's just jump into the video. I have already moisturized my face using rose hip oil by Good Vibes. So I'm gonna be using this primer onto my face. I'm gonna apply this onto my face. So this is quite thick, as you can see, and it has some kind of tint into it which will provide fairness to my skin. And this primer claims that it will correct open pores and fine lines as well as brightens dull skin. So I think it does what it says. Now moving towards concealer, I'm gonna be using this beauty stick, and this is how it looks. I'm gonna conceal my dark circles with this concealer, and areas where I have little bit pigmentation and dark spots, that's it. I'm not gonna use much concealer, and I'm also gonna apply this concealer where I want my features to get highlighted. And I'm gonna blend the concealer with this beauty blender or a beauty sponge. इससे आप अगर पानी में डालेंगे तो साइज बिल्कुल इंक्रीज होगी, और साइज इंक्रीज हुई है इसकी. So I'm gonna blend it with this. So I'm gonna layer it down once more underneath my eye because I need more coverage over here. So as you can see, the product is nice, but it absorbs so much of product in it. I didn't like that. Overall, this is very squishy and soft. The only down part of this sponge is that it absorbs quite a lot product. So I think I'm gonna layer it one more time, a bit over here, and I'm gonna blend this with my fingers. If you blend concealer with your fingers, it will give more coverage rather than using this beauty blender. Now I'm gonna set my face using this matte setting loose powder. Powder has applicator with this, but I'm just gonna use my beauty blender. I'm gonna first apply this underneath my eye. So I can see that it gives some kind of coverage, which is a good thing. What I can see is that if you apply the powder with this sponge, damp sponge, your face will look cakey or patchy. So I'm just gonna take this sponge or applicator, and I'm just gonna blend it with it. I'm gonna shape my brows using this brow product by MINISO, and it comes with this small brush, but I'm not gonna use this. I have this brush and it has small mirror over here. So I'm just gonna take this dark color, and shape my brows with it. So this product is decently pigmented actually, so that you doesn't end up applying much product onto your brows. My eyebrows are done and it's looking quite well actually. Now moving towards eye, I'm gonna be using this eyeshadow pencil, and the great part is it has smudger at the back, so you can smudge easily. I'm just gonna apply this onto my lids first, and then I'm gonna smudge this with the smudger at the back, and it smudged really well, as you can see. I'm going to be using this Mini Pony MINISO Eye Dream palette. As you can see, it has 4 colors, and I'm going to be using this shade and apply this shade onto my crease area. I'm also gonna place this shade on the corners of my eye. And with this same brush, I'm gonna blend my eyeshadows well so that it doesn't look horrible. Our eyeshadows are done. Now I'm gonna be using this white color, or a shimmery white color, and apply this onto the inner corners and brow bone of. So according to me, this palette is not that great. It is good to work with if you are traveling or something like that. You can easily take this palette because it's a travel friendly palette, but if you are looking for, you know, great pigments or something of that sort, it's not like that. As you can see, it's not that pigmented, so keep in mind before buying this product. Now I'm gonna apply same eyeshadow pencil onto my waterline. Now I'm gonna be using this shade and apply that shade onto my lower lash line. So this color is not showing up. I don't know what's the problem with this color. I'm also gonna highlight my face using this shade. This is sort of champagne-y shade, so I'm gonna highlight my face. This product has so much of fallout, I can't tell you guys. Now I'm gonna be using this eyeliner pen, and I'm gonna be applying very thin eyeliner. easily apply eyeliner with this sort of tip. As you can see the tip of this eyeliner pen. So as you all know that I don't have contour product, blush product and lipstick and also makeup fixer by MINISO. So I'm just gonna use my usual products which I always use. So this is the Estee Lauder Bronze Goddess bronzer, and I'm just gonna bronze my face or contour my face with this. So I'm just gonna be contouring my usual areas, that are cheekbones, jawline and forehead, also nose. And for blush I'm gonna be using Nikake Blush Duo, and I'm gonna be applying these two blushes. And for mascara I'm gonna be using Hyper Curl mascara by Maybelline. To set my face I'm gonna be using Wet n Wild fixing spray. On my lips I'm gonna be applying this Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink lipstick, and the shade is Self Starter. These lipsticks are my current favorite. So this is the final look with the attire, as you can see. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, that what you think of this look, or what all looks you want me to do, or what all DIYs you want me to do. I would love to hear you all. So with that, it's a wrap. I will see you all super soon in my next video. Till then, bye, take care, stay happy and spread happiness.